Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna learn how to change your Fortnite account name. For that, you have to change the name of your Epic Game account, as the name displayed on your Fortnite is the actual name of your Epic Game account. Now open any browser and go to Epic Game. That is an official Epic Game website from which you can download any laptop games. You can see the menu button on the top right corner. Tap on it and it will open a dashboard. Now tap on sign in button at the end of the page. Sign in into your account. And after signing in, again tap on menu and then tap on your username. After that, you can see the option account. Tap on it. Now it lands to your account setting page. You can see a displayed name below your ID, and on the side of your displayed name you can see an edit icon. Tap on it and then you can update your name. Enter the new name you want to keep and then re-enter the same name in order to confirm. Finally, tap on the checkbox that says you cannot change your displayed name again for 2 weeks and then hit confirm. Now, you have successfully changed your Fortnite account name. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below, and also hit the like button if it helped you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar videos.